Hey guys, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a part 2 to the unboxing I did about 2.5 months ago, something like that. This is my more in-depth review of organic body essentials. So I've been using most of these products for about 2.5 months now, on and off, and I just wanted to give you guys my complete review of the whole line, what I would recommend, what I would skip on, yada yada yada. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So this is the Makeup Melt Face Wash, and it says melt away makeup, leaving face feeling clean and fresh. So ideally you could just use this as a one-step thing and then go straight into toning. I personally just love double cleansing. I've seen so many benefits with it with my skin, so I just like to double cleanse. That being said, I actually really like this. I did not think I was. The consistency is a little bit different than what I'm used to for oils and stuff that I use to take off my makeup, but this kind of just glides over the skin. It removes the makeup, and then you just remove it with a warm cloth, rub it right off, and ideally you could keep going, but I move into just washing my face with my normal face wash, and then I move on to the toner. So I fell in love with this toner day one, and it just says removes trace residues, balances skin, and leaves face feeling fresh. This one is organic. Yeah, as you can see, I'm pretty much done with that. I'm like hoarding the last little bit. This stuff is so good. It smells amazing, and I will say that my skin has definitely improved since I started using this, which is why I'm like holding on to it with dear life. I absolutely love this toner. Some of the ingredients: we have water, witch hazel, apple cider vinegar, green tea extract, glycerin, aloe vera extracts, marshmallow, willow bark, vitamin E, citrus acid, and scented with essential oils. Pretty much this whole line smells like ylang ylang. Trust me, I know that's my favorite essential oil, and that's exactly what this line smells like. Moving on, the Mega Antioxidant Face Mask. Y'all, this was bomb. This was so bomb. I've actually like really been rationing this. You have to stir this and the scrub. You have to stir it really well before you can apply it, but when it goes on, it dries down to like just red clay, and you just leave it on for however long you want to leave it on. I think the instructions said for maybe 10 minutes, or just says stir, wear until dry. Sometimes, I kid you not, I've worn this for like an hour, 2 hours straight. No adverse effects, and my skin felt amazing. I still use this once a week. It's just that good. Yes, I will be repurchasing this, or I will be purchasing this because the first one was sent, but I will be purchasing this. This is so good. The other scrub type or treatment they had was the Silky Smooth Face Scrub. Now, I'm so on this one. I will say it is very nice. I do like how it feels. However, I just found that the sugar granules were just a little too big for me. I love the consistency and I love the feel, and it's easy to rinse off, and my face does feel super moisturized afterwards. However, I just don't like how kind of rough the salt can be, so you have to be really careful when you use this. I love using it in conjunction with the mask. On its own, I don't really reach for it, and that's also why there's like really nothing. I have so much left in here. I don't know if you can see that. I have so much left, making a mess because I don't really use it. It's one of those things I'm like, it's cool, but I probably won't get it again. Another OG is the Flawless Face Serum. So this is more of an oil consistency. It has red raspberry baobab. Oh my! It has red raspberry baobab, frankincense, jojoba, tea tree, a lot of other good just ingredients that I will say did kind of help change the texture, and I will say it helped a little bit with my hyperpigmentation. When I started using this consistently, I did start noticing a change. The last face product that I have is the Extreme Face Cream Day and Night. Now, I will say, starting off, I was very scared to use this in the mornings just because oils or any type of moisturizer that's kind of heavy sits on my skin. This actually does absorb after like 15 minutes. Now, I will say that you do have to keep mixing this every day because it does separate a little bit, but it is wonderful as a night cream. I normally use this at night. I use it a few times during the day. I haven't had any problems with it. This is really good, and a little goes a long way, so I barely touched the surface in this. So that's kind of just the face stuff. I will say that everything together works amazing. So when I first got the products, I was kind of just using parts of it here and there, but then I really wanted to test out everything. So I used everything in this line for 2 weeks, religiously, day and night. And yeah, I did not have a problem with it. I loved how my skin felt. Everything absorbed, everything worked together. I have nothing bad to say about the skincare side. I have 3 more products, technically 4, but of course right before I started filming this video I misplaced the lip glosses that I got. Just a general note, I love them. They are very moisturizing. I'm actually wearing it right now. They're untinted, they're not tinted, and one is scented, one is not. It is what it is. I like them. The Extreme Hand and Body Cream, I kind of actually forgot I had this. I'm trying to get in the habit of using this at night, but yeah, homegirl normally just gets right in bed and goes to sleep. But when I do use it, it does leave my hands feeling super moisturized in the morning. It is a little greasy when I first put it on, but I could be putting on way too much, and I normally just go to sleep right afterwards, so there's that. The Radical Repair Cream, love this stuff. Love, 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 love. This has been saving my feet because I'm a Pilates instructor, and between that, yoga, and just all the other workouts that I do, my feet, they need some TLC. They're always dry, and I will say if my feet are really dry and I put this on at night, I guarantee you the next morning my feet feel so much better. This is an OG. I'm actually kind of sad I'm almost out of it. And the last thing I have, I know I got a few questions. It was the Intense Therapeutic Gel. Did I do a swatch of this? Can't remember if I did a swatch of this. But I actually have not used this that much. I've used it maybe 3 times, because luckily I have not broken my body. So I'm very happy about that. But from what I've used it for, it's really good. So if you're just looking for a nice muscle relaxer that's organic, definitely check this one out. Little does go a long way. Granted, I mixed this with some other stuff the second time I used it, but first time through, it has a quick warming sensation, and then you pretty much just go on with the rest of your day. So now that I got through that general spiel, what would I highly recommend if you were wanting to try this line? If you're in the market for a good pre-cleanse or makeup remover, definitely the Makeup Melt Face Wash. You guys already know I love the toner. Yes to the toner. The Mega Antioxidant Face Masks. Yes, if you get nothing else, get this. The Flawless Face Serum and the Radical Repair Cream. If you get nothing else, I would at least get those 5 items. Not saying the other ones were bad, it's just that those were my favorite ones. The Extreme Hand Cream, if you get the Radical Repair one, I could say you could probably go without this one. Face cream again was good, but I just have a bunch of other moisturizers that do the same thing, so it's not really on the top of my list. The gel is also really good if you're looking for like an organic gel. I personally prefer balms. This one was kind of liquidy, and I kind of was turned off a little bit for that. Most of the balms I have now are, or most of the products I have now are actual balms, so that. And the scrub, again, it was okay. I just did not really like how textured it was. So that's pretty much it. If you guys are interested in any of these products, I will have them in the description box below, along with a little coupon for you as well. Let me know if you have any other questions, comments, concerns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Until next time, guys, bye.